Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Phoenix, Wright, Rise from the Ashes. Um, I am joined, as always, by Lamp Post and Eason Alias.
Woo!
Woo!
And we are on the final trial of the final case.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Yeah. Woo!
This is the beginning of the end, as we like to say. And last time, we investigated, with Gumshoe's help, Damon Gantz's office, which still has a perfectly preserved crime scene and very suspicious pieces of evidence locked away in a safe.
Yeah.
And then he took Emma aside for reasons that we do not know, probably threatening her or something based on what we found. He looks very, very guilty. On top of that, we went and spoke to Lana and showed her where she finally kind of spilled the beans a little bit and admitted that she did not kill Bruce Goodman, in fact, and was actually just removing his body from the trunk of Edgeworth's car as she was instructed. She was also instructed to pretend to stab him again, so she did. And that is what Angel Starr witnessed. So, lots of things have been revealed, lots of things have been going on, and today we are finally going to bring this story to a close.
Yeah. This is the defendant lobby, all right. But there's no defendant. Been trying to reach Lana all morning. Where could she be? Where's Emma, for that matter? It almost seems as if something's been happening behind the scenes, somebody says. Hi, it's Edgeworth. Edgeworth! Or as Lamp would say, Edgeworth!
Stop like that!
It's a good impression, right?
Pretty good impression.
Yeah.
That's crazy. I don't sound like that.
Knowing you, you've already figured it out. Who the owner of the 7777777 ID number is.
Well, I have a pretty strong hunch. Looks like I'm not the only one who's figured it out.
You know, the only reason this trial didn't reach a verdict yesterday is because there was still room for doubt on this ID record. If that number does belong to whom you suspect, then no doubt will remain. After all, he hasn't been officially charged with anything.
True, not yet.
In any event, once all doubt has been removed from that list, I can call for a ruling on the defendant. 5 minutes after the trial starts, Lana will be found guilty.
But she didn't do it.
I figured you'd say as much. That's why I came here. To hear what you have to say.
Ooh!
First time he's ever done something like this. Lana's
my
hiding
gosh.
something. The only way we'll ever know the truth, draw it out of her.
The truth?
Everything goes back to the SL9 incident.
Don't be stupid. Today's the last day of the trial. We don't have time to reminisce about the past.
That depends on you. If he's found guilty, you'll lose your only chance to find out what really happened.
Oh.
I'll think about it.
Come on, Edgeworth.
See you in court, Wright.
Toodaloo, Edgeworth. This is it. If I'm ever going to find out what Chief Gant has on her, it's now. February 25th, 10 a.m. District Court, courtroom number 9.
Oh,
Last
man.
trial day, guys. I'm so hyped.
Court is now in session for the trial of Miss Lana Sky.
The defense is ready, Your Honor.
And for one last time, the prosecution is ready, Your Honor.
Yeah, but weird feeling. Like, I'm kind of sad. Like, this might be the last time we don't see each other like this for a while.
For a while, perhaps.
For a while.
There
A
you
long
go.
while, probably.
Normally, this is when the prosecution puts forth its opening statement.
Hmm?
Before that, police chief has a proposal to make. To me, we're getting married.
Congratulations, Your
How
Honor.
progressive.
I guess.
He just appeared out of nowhere.
He just materializes.
I mean, listen, are you telling me this man doesn't look like the sort who can just materialize out of thin air?
He was
That's
little
true.
Damon Gant, of course he can.
Demon
That's
Gent
true.
over here, definitely capable
He
of
looks
such
like
feats.
He looks like either a vampire or a vampire hunter or both.
Yeah, more like maybe like one of those underworld like legal folk.
Legal folk.
You know, those kinds. Morning, folks. How's everyone doing? Hey, Udgy, been back to the pool yet?
No, I've been drowning enough as it is in my work.
Oh, that's a good one. Don't think I can top that.
You don't mind me asking, Chief. Exactly what is this proposal of yours?
Why, I'm getting married to Udgy. I believe he just said as much. Let me slow blink at you.
Man.
That's my adoptive father.
Huh?
Lana, that is to say, the defendant, has asked me if she could speak directly to the court.
Oh,
He wants to do what? Oh, having heard what she intends to say, I feel I should be granted her request. In the end, it should save everyone a lot of time and trouble.
oh boy.
I bet you it does. I bet you it does.
Oh boy.
What's this all about, defendant?
I'd just like to make one simple request and I'll be finished.
Well then, what's your request? You want to be the flower girl?
Your Honor, I'd like you to put an immediate end to this trial.
Huh?
Oh my, I freaking knew it. Oh my gosh.
I confess to all charges against me. On February 21st of this year, I murdered Detective Bruce Goodman in the underground parking lot of the prosecutor's office.
No, Lana! Knew it! Knew it! She was evil! Evil!
Objection!
You can't! Your Honor, the defendant's claim does not change the defense's plea.
In that case, Mr. Wright, I no longer require your services.
But Lana!
Your Honor, I hereby forfeit my right to an attorney.
Wait, I don't think you can do that.
I mean, maybe?
Just forfeit your right. to
Listen,
an
it's Ace
attorney?
Attorney logic. I'm not even gonna question it.
I have a feeling Edgeworth isn't going to allow this to happen.
Nah, bruh.
The prosecution may lack direct evidence against me,
Direct evidence.
but it has sufficiently proven its case through testimony and circumstantial evidence.
Oh, circumstantial evidence.
I would like you to render your verdict now, if you please.
Well, the defendant certainly has the right to self-representation. The request is legally valid somehow, although this is an unprecedented situation. Indeed, it appears there's no further need to continue this trial. Oh my gosh, this is the shortest trial we've ever had. Even if Mr. Wright may feel otherwise.
This can't be happening.
It appears the time for the verdict has arrived.
Let me guess.
This
Objection!
Finds the defendant.
Hey,
There it is.
There it is.
There it is.
One moment, Your Honor.
That delightful voice.
Mr. Edgeworth?
The prosecution has not yet proven the defendant guilty beyond reasonable doubt.
Or?
Any ruling at this stage would certainly be premature.
Come now, Worthy. I understand this is a difficult time for you. Oh, but why don't you just be a good little boy and keep your mouth shut, hmm?
You'd like that, wouldn't you, Gant?
I don't think I care for your tone, Chief Gant.
Oh! That's right. You tell him. Oh, man.
Man.
What?
Creating another fabrication to cover up your past mistakes.
Oh.
Sorry, but I'm no longer the naive little boy you would have had me to be. With this sudden confession from the defendant, it's obvious to me that some kind of deal was struck behind the scenes.
Kind of deal. Not everyone operates as you do. Really?
I thought so. Your Honor, the prosecution would like to change its first witness.
Oh? Oh? To whom?
As its first witness, the prosecution would like to call Miss Emma Skye. I request the court hears her testimony.
Oh, she's not available. Mr. Edgeworth, I am exercising my right to self-representation. I don't think we need to continue.
I don't care what you think, Miss Skye.
Oh, man! Savage Edgeworth. I love it.
Got him.
Oh, my gosh. He's ruthless.
My man. The exposure of the truth sometimes results in tragedy. However, no matter how tragic the truth may be, it would be an even greater tragedy to avert one's eyes from it.
Wow. Very well. Holy crap, Edgeworth. The court shall grant the prosecution's request. That's okay with you, right? Fiancé? Chief Gant?
Hey, you'll live to regret this. Mark my words and mark them well.
Wait, someone write
Miss
that
Emma
down.
Skye, please take the stand.
Like Edgeworth has decided to take the horse by the reins. Giddy up.
I don't think. Oh, she is here!
Now then, witness, please state your name and occupation.
My name is Emma. Emma Skye. My occupation? I'm Lana's little sister, and I want to be a scientific investigator.
2 years ago, you encountered the serial killer Joe Dark of the Joe Dark killings. Is this correct?
Yes. I'm trying my hardest to forget about that, though.
Oof.
I'm sorry, but I'm afraid I'm going to have to ask you to recall those events one more time.
Mr. Edgeworth, please remember this trial concerns the murder of Detective Goodman. It's an incident that was resolved 2 years ago. Really all that relevant? Oh my gosh, Judge.
Yes, it most certainly is.
Oh, okay. Oh. Well, okay then.
He sure gave in fast.
Now, please testify about what happened to you 2 years ago.
That gum.
The trip to yesteryear has finally begun. Bound to lead to the truth behind this trial.
Hey, yo.
Cool!
2 years ago.
I was waiting in my sister's office that day. A man came running in and took me hostage. Neil Marshall rescued me, but I'll never forget what I saw that instant. Except for the fact that she said that she completely forgot. The man. Okay, hold on. Now I want to look at this person.
I mean,
You
yeah.
know, that looks like Dark.
You look like
I don't-
Dark.
I don't think that.
I'll just say that this isn't the first time. I mean, it wouldn't be the first time, rather. We've seen in past cases an image like this before, where after the true culprit was revealed, it
they changed
replaced
it?
them. Yeah.
Okay.
I think it
Although-
happened in the last case.
Yes, moving on.
Stop his knife and stab Mr. Marshall. It's a good thing you weren't harmed.
I passed out. I don't remember much.
That's understandable. I also don't remember much after I pass out. However, please tell me, Mr. Edworth, what does this testimony have to do with Detective Goodman's murder?
That will soon become apparent, Your Honor.
You've got to admire him for his courage, considering he has no evidence.
You don't know that. Very well. The defense may begin its cross-examination.
But I'm not the defense anymore. But okay, I guess we'll just ignore that. Yeah, she was waiting in her sister's office that day.
What were you waiting for? Waiting for her to be
Press.
done, I assume.
2 years ago, the defendant was a detective at the police department, correct?
Yes, she was second in command under Chief Detective Gant. My sister, she was the best detective ever!
Yes, I remember. Chief Detective Gant and Miss Skye used to be quite the pair.
I believe they shared the same office.
That's right. I'd always sit at my sister's desk and dream about playing that organ. I wanted to play it that day, too.
Police department and the prosecutor's office held a ceremony that day.
Lana promised to take me to dinner after she finished her work.
We was gonna go to McDonald's!
Man
Okay,
came
yeah,
running
let's
in
talk
and
about
took
that.
her hostage.
Definitely want to talk about that. Hey, man, why aren't you saying
Yeah,
dark
what she said,
specifically?
man.
Okay, why
There it
didn't you
is.
say Joe Dark initially? He was a serial killer.
Joe Dark was brought in for questioning on the day of that ceremony. We were desperate to get anything on him that would lead to an arrest.
When he saw his chance, he fled the room, right?
Upon fleeing the room, Dark proceeded to take the elevator. He must have been in a panic because the elevator was going up. Then he ran into Skye and Gant's office.
There was a lot of noise coming from outside, so I opened up the door to have a look. That's when I saw him.
Neil Marshall
Bill
rescued
Marshall
her.
rescued me. Okay. I want to know...
But she'll never forget what she saw that instant.
What'd you see?
Can you tell us about that?
Mr. Marshall jumped on Dark. Just then, the lights went out.
Lights?
It was just about this time of year. There was a terrible storm going on, and lightning struck nearby.
So the electricity went out.
How convenient.
Wait a minute. If it was pitch dark in that room, you shouldn't have been able to see anything, right?
Right, but I have X-ray vision.
Wow,
But just then,
I don't
lightning
believe
flashed
you.
again outside.
I believe her. You can have X-ray
I'm
vision.
I'm a scientific investigator. We all have X-ray vision.
Well, yeah. How else do
Well,
they investigate?
We all have some kind of quirky quirk that lets us solve cases right away. Haven't you seen reality TV?
Yeah. Yeah.
That sudden flash left an unforgettable image of the scene in my mind.
I see. Just like you did.
I told the detective about what I saw then.
The detective.
Yes, Detective Goodman. He was in charge of the case.
Detective Bruce Goodman, the victim. I guess we
Hear
should hear more
more.
about that. So you spoke with Detective Goodman about this 2 years ago.
Yes, that's what's so scary about this trial.
You told Detective Goodman about what you saw.
Yes, but at the time, the words just wouldn't come out.
Okay, then how did you tell him, bro? Oh!
That's why I drew a picture.
Oh.
Picture.
Oh.
Yeah,
I
I think she
definitely-
mentioned that before.
I definitely want to see that picture again. Well, Mr. Wright, have you heard enough?
Ask about that picture.
picture.
This picture the witness drew. I believe it has a very important meaning.
Oh, come on!
But the list of evidence I was given 2 years ago didn't contain a picture.
Well, the list of
Oh, are we gonna
evidence
put them
we
together?
have does.
Does he have half of the list?
Witness, would you mind if we added this statement to your testimony? Yes. I mean, no, I wouldn't mind, Your Honor. I drew a picture of that scene once, but it seems to have been lost.
Present.
It is not lost, it is in my pocket.
Should I, look at that?
Look
Does
at
that
this
not
picture?
Yeah. I think
drawn on the back in magic marker? Got a very bad feeling about this. Well, let's present it.
Well, here we go.
Mr. Edgeworth, this little girl put all her heart into drawing that picture. And yet you still insist on denying its existence.
Huh? Hey, I'm not the bad guy.
True.
All I'm saying is that as the prosecutor for that case, I wasn't handed such a picture.
Imagine not being handed evidence in a case that would be directly beneficial to you, huh, Edgeworth?
That may well be.
I mean, I know you've changed, Edgeworth,
But that
I'm still
doesn't
a
mean
little
it doesn't
salty.
exist. Behold,
this is the evidence list for the SL9 incident.
yes, we illegally obtained it when we were trespassing, but besides from that, please turn it over, Your Honor.
Turn it over? Turn it... Ah! What's this?
Yes, what is that?
Hey, that's it. That's the picture I drew.
Oh wow, she's a real artist. And at art school.
Indeed. Two men appear to be wrestling here.
What's the meaning of this? What are you doing with that list?
Hey.
I'm going to shove it in my mouth.
Only the prosecutor in charge should have access to that list.
Uh-huh. These lists, they're different from each other.
What?
It would appear, Mr. Edgeworth, that the evidence list you were handed 2 years ago was incomplete. These two lists fit together to form one. You can see the marks here where they were torn apart from each other. Oh my gosh, Judge actually putting something together himself?
Dude, that's crazy.
Before
see,
Edgeworth!
Mr. Edgeworth, I know you're slow on the uptake these days, but I think it's quite obvious what happened. 2 years ago, only half the evidence in that case ever reached you.
That's crazy.
What? What?
Oh, he's kind of stupid, huh?
That's crazy. Order! Who'd have thought the picture would have been drawn on the back of the list?
That was handed to Detective Goodman in the questioning room.
Wait a minute. This list was torn in half, and that means...
Oh!
Your Honor!
Are you alright, Mr. Wright? Your eyes are bulging from your head. Get a doctor.
It's fine, I'm just boggling a little, Your Honor. If the evidence list was torn in half, then there might be more of the drawing on the back of Mr. Edgeworth's list.
I didn't know Phoenix was a rat.
Mr. Edgeworth, are you telling me you have never once seen the other side of this piece of paper?
Yes, that's quite conceivable. Mr. Edgeworth?
It's possible. Let's see. Ooh!
Wow, so much for being thorough, huh?
Oh, wait. There's something wrong?
You even have to ask? The man sounds like he's constipated.
He is constipated. Holy cow, the whole background is...
Sorry, Your Honor. There is something drawn on the back of my
I
list.
can't believe he never turned the paper over.
This is that thing.
Blue Badger! That's that despicable thing. That thing that was dancing in the evidence room. Oh!
Apparently, the head of criminal affairs used this for his blueprint.
Remember the handprint that I saw on his freaking... Oh my gosh, the handprint on the blue badger that we haven't
That blue
connected to
badger was,
anything.
just so you don't misconstrued, that dancing blue badger was made by Gumshoe like literally weeks ago, I'm pretty sure.
Ages ago.
No, not 2 years ago.
No, it's relatively recent, yeah.
Pretty recent.
But yeah, but there's still a handprint on Badger that we haven't seen anything about.
Who knows? I guess he was out of scrap paper.
Dun,
The evidence
dun,
list
dun.
has been updated.
Crazy. Very well. Witness, will you please testify about this picture you drew 2 years ago?
Dot, dot, dot. Huh? Yes, sir. Your Honor, sir.
What's wrong with Emma? She seemed to be thinking about something when she saw the picture.